Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As of the time of this writing, QuickBooks Online is starting to offer two layouts for invoices and estimates to customers they choose. These layouts are the old layout and the new layout. However, many features like billable expenses do not work when using the new layout. Additionally, the new layout doesn't use templates for form customization. You instead customize new layout invoices and estimates when creating them, and QuickBooks remembers your design changes. To customize new layout, invoices, or estimates, click the Manage button in the toolbar at the top of the invoice or estimate window to show or hide a pane at the right side of the window. To change the pane settings, click a Customization Settings category button to show its options below it. Then click to toggle the switches on or off, or select choices using the buttons in that section to customize the form. Alternatively, if using the old layout sales forms, you can create and apply form templates to set advanced customization options if needed. Form templates are also still available for other forms like the sales receipt window, even if using the new layout, invoices, and estimates. However, if this is the case, then you must access those templates by using the Customize command within the respective form, as the Custom Form Styles page in the QuickBooks Online menu is hidden when using the new layout forms. However, you can also simply toggle back to using the old layout forms temporarily to access the Custom Form Styles page if needed, so you can edit and delete other custom form styles you may still use. To toggle between the new layout and old layout sales form styles in QuickBooks Online, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and then select the invoice command to open the invoice window. To switch to the old layout, click the Old Layout button in the toolbar at the top of the window. Then click Leave, and then Leave and Submit in the two pop-up windows that open to continue and switch back. You can then close the invoice window without saving it. If needed, you can then access the Custom Form Styles page. To switch back to using the new layout form styles, click the plus new button in the navigation bar and then select the invoice command to open the invoice window. To switch to the new layout, click the Try the New Invoices button that appears in the toolbar at the top of the window. Then click the Try New Invoice button in the pop-up window. According to Intuit, if new layout sales forms are available to your company, then you should be able to switch back and forth between the new and old invoice layouts as needed. To create a new custom form style in QuickBooks Online if using the old layout sales forms, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Custom Form Styles link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Custom Form Styles page. Click the New Style drop-down button in the upper right corner of the page and then click the type of form to create from the drop-down menu that appears. You can create either an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt by selecting your desired choice. The new form then opens in a new window where you can customize it. All changes you make in this window are saved automatically when you click the Preview PDF or Done button. Type a name for the form into the field that appears in the upper left corner of the window. To customize the form, then change the settings on the Design, Content, and Emails tabs. We will examine the settings on each tab in detail in separate lessons. To close the form without saving it, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Form Customization window. Then click the Exit Without Saving button in the confirmation dialog box that appears. If you do not do this, each form you create is saved to QuickBooks Online, although you can also delete them after saving them in the Custom Form Styles list. In the form customization window, you use the buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the window to preview and close the form. To save the form and preview its PDF, click the Preview PDF button to open a PDF preview of the form in a new window. You can close this window after viewing it. To save the form into the Custom Form Styles list after creating it and changing its name, click the Done button in the toolbar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.